In this video, I'll be showing you how you can log in your TikTok account on your desktop computer or on your laptop or on your PC. Let's get in. So guys, now to log in your TikTok account on your PC or laptop or computer is very simple. First of all, come to your web browser on your computer and tap on it. If you tap on it, then come to the search bar here and search for tiktok.com. Tap on enter. Then it will load and bring this home page. You can see here is TikTok desktop home page. You can see right here at the top right corner, you can see login. Also, you can see here at the bottom left, login. You can tap any of them. For instance, I'll tap on this one to log in my own account. So you bring this pop-up with different login options. You can log in with that QR code or that useful number or email or with Facebook or all that. But among all these options, the most common ones are to use QR code or to use phone number, email, and username. Now let's tap on this use phone number. So now if you tap here, right here, you can come here and put your phone number. For instance, put your phone number. If you put your phone number, you can come here and tap on this send code. If you tap on this send code, they will send a code to the phone number you put here. Then come here and enter the code and then be able to log in. But if your phone number is not there with you, then you can log in, or you can choose to log in with password. You can see here, login with password. You can tap right here. Also, you can come here and put your phone number, the phone number that is linked to your TikTok account. You can put your phone number right here, then come here and put your password. After that, you can come here and tap login. But in case, let me say your phone number is not there and you forgot your password, then how can you log in? You can go back. Then this is the right time you can log in using your QR code. As far as your TikTok account is logging on your mobile phone, you can tap on this use QR code. It will load and bring this code. Then come to your phone. On your phone, you can tap and open your account, TikTok account. If you tap on it, you can come on this profile icon, tap on it. Then come to your profile that is login on your phone. You can see here at the top right corner, this icon, these lines, tap on it. Then you bring this pop-up down menu. You can see here your QR code, tap on it. It processes and you can see here a scanner icon. Tap on this scanning icon, scan icon. So it brings a camera to scan on your computer. It's still scanning. You can see that it's scanning. So right here is processing on the phone. Just wait and see. So at this moment, they will ask me if I want to confirm login. I'll tap on this login. So I've accepted login on my PC. You can see right now it's scanning. So that you can see here top right, I've been login. So it has loaded and my account has been logging on my PC. You can see right here, top here is my profile icon. I can close this one. Here's my profile icon. You can see right, I can tap on this view profile. If I tap here, I will go to my profile where I can see all my pictures, my videos, and my account is still loading. So if you lose, it will bring my profile, my account, bad network. You can see I can scroll down and see everything on my account. So right now I've been logging into my account with my desktop computer by giving access to my PC through my account or the account on my phone. You can see right, it's very simple. I can log out. I can come on this more here at the bottom left corner, tap on it. You can see logout. I'll tap on this logout. I'll confirm logout and I'll be logged out. You can see that is it, very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.